Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the euro currency. So you can see actually the level that we have talked about has been hit with the spike up yesterday. It's around 109 area has been touched, and as a result on the daily chart, market has formed a bearish grabber. It's a fake breakout for a fake trend shift. So spike up, trend for some moment has turned to the bullish, but later by the close price it has remained bearish. It means that it's failure trend shifting, and it means that by the idea of the pattern, market should proceed lower to taking out of these lows. But at the same time, here is a bit specific situation because on the intraday charts we have different context. So take a look what we have on the follow time frame chart. On the follow time frame chart, it becomes clear the new shape of the pattern. So initially we thought that could be minor head and shoulders with this left shoulder head. This could be right shoulder, but instead of that, market turns to the consolidation around 108.90 area. Here it could be left shoulder. That could be right shoulder. It's approximately harmonic compared to the head. That is strong resistance. Currently on the follow time frame chart, market is climbing higher, and take a look, the bullish grabber has been formed here. It means that market should challenge this top. I don't know whether this market will break it or not, but the challenge should happen. That is suggested by this pattern. At the same time, this top is the top of the grabber on the daily, so they are opposite to each other. And if market will close above this area, well, this will erase this context. So you can see the situation is a bit tricky. So from the one point of view, we're at the point where we consider taking the short position. Maybe somebody of you already have taken the short here. As you can see, pullback indeed has happened after that, after the area has been touched for the first time. But now there's a bit tricky moment with this grabber that suggests some challenging or flirting around this top, to say the least. So ultimately it could be even the breakout and upward continuation, because actually EBCD pattern here stands, it's 109.40 area. It's OP, destination point. By the way, it's interesting where the COP will stand. COP will be, well, actually it has been hit, so it's a reaction on the COP target as well. What does it tell us? This tells us that we need to wait for a clear pattern, reversal pattern, if we would like to take the short position, and wait for clarity with this tricky moment with grabbers. On the hourly chart, take a look. Upward action has started precisely from the first level that we have discussed. So that's why sometimes we recommend and call for splitting the trading position. Take the position at some parts and some levels, because when you're dealing with a retracement, well, it's not really high probability that you will get right at spot where the upward action will be reestablished, at what level market will turn up. We could just say that it's more probable that it will be from that or from this level, but sometimes the situation behaves differently. And take a look, that was a confidence support and agreement with the minor COP of this ABCD pattern, and indeed market jumped up right from this level. Currently on the hourly chart, guys, we also have the bullish sign. Take a look, this is hidden bullish divergence with the MACD, and also suggests the taking out of this top. Potentially that could be, for example, if the bears still take control of the situation, we could get something like head and shoulders pattern here. If market will fail to continue move higher, starts turning down, breaking this level, well, that will be the bearish confirmation. That's actually what we have currently on the euro. It means that if you have taken the short position here, bounce has happened, you could move stop to the break even and see what will happen next, because here is can see some bullish context indeed, and this will be either the breakout or at least wash and rinse on something of that sort of this type. It means that it would be better to wait before taking new short positions, at least until the situation with this gravel will be resolved, will be over, what will happen with this patient. Once it will be over, we will consider what is going on around the major resistance, if it will be valid still, what patterns are forming there. And that should tell us whether it makes sense to take the new short position around or better to wait. If we will see that market is going higher, maybe it will proceed higher to the next level. For the bulls, if you have taken the long position, of course you could keep them and watch what will happen around 109. That's actually was our target yesterday as well. It's minimum target. That's actually the situation that we have on the EUR. Potentially, guys, if this level will be broken, so yes, we could turn to this greater hand and shoulders pattern with a significantly higher standing target. Maybe this will be 618 on the daily chart. So that's well, something that we have at this moment, and let's see what the progress with price will show.